Did you know that excess moisture in your home can lead to mold, musty odors, and even damage your furniture? If you're tired of dealing with damp air, it's time to find the best compact dehumidifier to keep your space fresh and dry. In this video, I'll share top-rated dehumidifiers that are small, efficient, and powerful, perfect for bedrooms, offices, or RVs. Stick around to find the right one for you, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. Let's get started. The number 5 product on our list is Ivation 14.7 Pint Compressor Dehumidifier. Struggling with excess moisture in your home, RV, or small space? The Ivation 14.7 Pint Compressor Dehumidifier might be the compact solution you need. Unlike thermoelectric models that struggle with humidity control, this powerful little unit removes up to 14.7 pints of moisture per day, keeping your space fresh, dry, and mold-free. With its LCD display, adjustable humidity settings, and automatic shutoff, it's easy to use. Plus, the 1/2-gallon tank and continuous drain option provide flexibility. It works wonders in bathrooms, bedrooms, and basements, quickly reducing moisture buildup. However, some users mention noticeable fan noise and occasional compressor vibrations. If you need a compact, high-performance dehumidifier, this is a great choice. Buy it if you want powerful moisture removal in a small size. Skip it if you're sensitive to noise and need whisper-quiet operation. At number 4 is DuraComfort Dehumidifier. Struggling with excess humidity in your home? The DuraComfort Compact Dehumidifier is a sleek, whisper-quiet solution designed for spaces up to 1,000 s3. It's perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms, where moisture buildup can lead to discomfort and mold. With ultra-quiet operation, as low as 33 dB, the LED display, 3 modes, and auto defrost add to its convenience, while its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere. It removes up to 25 pints of moisture per day, keeping your space fresh and dry. However, if you're dealing with extreme humidity levels, this unit might not be powerful enough. If you need a quiet, space-saving dehumidifier for mild humidity control, this is a great choice. But if you're looking for heavy-duty moisture removal in very damp areas, you might want to consider a more powerful option. The third one on our list is Crane Dehumidifier. Is excess humidity making your space feel damp and uncomfortable? The Crane Dehumidifier is a compact yet powerful solution designed to remove up to 600 mL of moisture per day in spaces up to 300 square feet. Whether it's your bedroom, RV, closet, the 0.5-gallon tank is easy to empty and clean, making maintenance hassle-free. Many users appreciate its modern design and efficiency, while others note that it works best in small, moderately humid spaces. However, if you're dealing with severe humidity issues, this unit might not be powerful enough. Some customers also report mixed results in larger rooms. If you need a silent, stylish, and easy-to-use dehumidifier for small spaces, this is a solid choice. But if you need heavy-duty moisture control, you may want to explore stronger options. On number 2 is Clevast Small Dehumidifier. Looking for a compact, energy-efficient way to tackle humidity? The Clevast Small Dehumidifier is a whisper-quiet, portable solution perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and RVs. With its advanced semiconductor condensation technology, this eco-friendly unit removes up to 10 Oz of moisture per day, keeping your space dry and fresh. At just 4.5 x 6.5 x 9.2 inches, it's easy to move around and fits seamlessly in small spaces. The auto shutoff feature prevents overflow, while the simple one-nebo operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. It's also energy efficient, consuming less than 0.55 HELPOD. However, if you're dealing with high humidity levels, this may not be powerful enough. Some users also found the fan noise louder than expected. If you need a compact, budget-friendly dehumidifier for mild humidity control, this is a great pick. But if you need stronger moisture removal in very damp areas, consider a larger model. Now, moving to the last one is HomeLabs Small Space Dehumidifier. Struggling with humidity in your small space? The HomeLabs Small Space Dehumidifier might be the perfect compact solution to keep your home fresh and dry, designed for spaces up to 150 s3. This portable, energy-efficient unit extracts up to 9 ounces of moisture per day, making it ideal for bathrooms, closets, RVs, and small offices. With ultra-quiet Peltier technology, it runs almost silently, so it won't disturb your sleep or work. The automatic shutoff feature prevents spills, and the LED indicator light reminds you when it's time to empty the 16-ounce tank. Plus, its sleek white and gray design blends seamlessly into any space. However, if you're dealing with extreme humidity, this unit might not remove moisture as quickly as larger models. If you need a lightweight, whisper-quiet dehumidifier for small areas, this is a great pick. But if you're looking for high-powered moisture removal, you may need a bigger option. So, which compact dehumidifier takes the crown? After reviewing the top contenders, the Ivation 14.7 Pint Compressor Dehumidifier stands out as the best compact dehumidifier. With its powerful moisture removal, adjustable settings, and continuous drain option, it's ideal for those who need serious humidity control without taking up much space. While it's not the quietest option, its performance and reliability make it the winner. If you prefer a whisper-quiet, budget-friendly dehumidifier for mild humidity, HomeLabs or Clevast might be better choices. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.